back. Time now for our Neblett, Beard, and Arsenault Legal Difference segment. Attorney Wes Gralapp here once again. Going to start a discussion about compensation for injuries following an accident. Wes, thanks for joining us once again on the phone. Good to have you.
Thank you, Mark. Glad to be here.
Okay, compensation for injuries after an accident. What can someone recover in damages after an accident? We'll start there.
Okay, well, first of all, it's important for our viewer audience to understand that the difference between, being at fault for an accident or not being at fault. Mm-hmm. And if you're not at fault for an accident, then you can recover for property damage to your vehicle and for injuries to your person, to your body, and also for lost wages and other monetary damages that you may suffer, such as medical bills.
Right.
And God forbid, funeral expenses, but sometimes that happens.
Yeah.
So basically the category of damages that someone typically has is broken down into what we call special damages and general damages. Special damages are your lost wages. If you can't work because you're injured after an accident, then the insurance company for the at-fault party owes you what you would have earned. And then the other category of special damages is your medical bills. Mm-hmm. And the medical bills are owed back to you if you incur them as a result of injuries in an accident. And then we have general damages, which general damages are basically pain and suffering that you suffer as a result of being injured, any emotional or anxiety problems that you might have, and that sort of thing. And mm-hmm. It's a wide range of injuries which can occur in an automobile accident.
Yeah, it can get complicated for sure. And what about compensation for property damage to the car, to my car?
I'll be brief because we've addressed that over the last couple of weeks. But yes, the damage to your car is owed by the insurance company for the at-fault party, and so you can either have your car totaled if the damage is severe, or you can have it repaired at your preferred repair shop. And the other side will have to pay for it.
What about going to the doctor after an accident and getting medical treatment for injuries?
You should definitely seek medical treatment for your injuries. There's all types of injuries that are not necessarily known to the human. Right when the accident occurs, they kind of linger a little bit and start showing up a couple of days later. But if you're in a serious accident, you want to get checked out. Today's medical services are different, and so urgent cares are prevalent in our communities. And unless you're bleeding or have a bone sticking out, you should probably choose to go to an urgent care to get checked out. Emergency rooms are for heart attacks, bleeding, things like that, very severe injuries these days, and the urgent cares have taken over minor injuries and that sort of thing.
Right, that's a good point. What about medical bills that you incur after an accident? What will get paid? What will be covered?
Well, any bill that you incur that is reasonable and necessary, you are entitled to recover for under the law. And basically the hardest problem is, the insurance company for the at-fault party is not there to bring you to the hospital or to bring you to the doctor and pay in advance. So most of that works by way of reimbursement.
Okay, all right. Wes, we'll continue this discussion next week. I think we'll pick it up when we talk about compensation for lost wages. For any type of questions, what's the best way to reach out to you at Neblett, Beard, and Arsenault?
Give us a call, 561-2500.
Got it. Wes, thanks for joining us once again. Always good to chat with you.
Thank you, Mark.
All right, we have more to come. Stick around on this Thursday.